This is a 2005 model Clio, and the inner safety catch, bonnet hood catch is here in the door well. You should hear a good clunk. That's lifted the hood bonnet. Now you can see you've got a gap here. Now go above the badge, off to the right. My fingers are on a kind of a T-bar that are attached. It's attached to the hood bonnet rather than the car itself. So I pull that and lift. The strut slightly disguised here. Right, it's slotted into there. Let's have a look at the mechanism that your hands were looking for. Your fingers were looking for. There it is. It's a T-catch. And this is its position here. The catch fits in there. Your fingers have got to be there. Okay, so you do your jobs, you check the oil, check the water, check whatever else. Make sure you put all the caps back. Now let's get the latch back on. And the official way is to drop it from about a foot or 30 centimeters. And if it closes properly, sometimes they don't, you should hear a satisfying clunk. Okay, that was a satisfying clunk. Now I can't lift this. Can't lift it. I can't press it and I can't lift it. Can't lift it and I can't press it.